Hello, welcome to News of China. Today is Saturday, November 11th. I'm your host, Lu Yang. This is ETV News right now. Tom Online's net income in the third quarter down 59% year-over-year to $5.3 million, on 15.2% lower sales to $39 million, due to policy changes by the government and China's mobile carriers require longer free trials for new services, new billing methods, and other restrictions. Wireless internet service made up 89% of Tom Online's revenues. CEO Wang Lei comments that he's confident Tom Online will be able to successfully navigate through this difficult period together with their partners. Forecasts continued weakness in the fourth quarter, which expects revenue to fall to $34.5 to $35.5 million. Shanda Interactive Entertainment Limited, China's #2 online game operator, posted a 45% drop in third quarter earnings as game revenues fell, but the result beat market forecasts and Shanda was upbeat on its new revenue model. Net income in the third quarter fell to $18.1 million, or 143.5 million yuan, from 261.1 million yuan a year earlier, but beat an average forecast of 101.45 million yuan. Shanda, which aims to launch a raft of casual games in the current fourth quarter and expand into wireless network games, said its new revenue model was starting to stabilize. Kongzhong, the operator of a wireless internet portal in China, was rising a day after its quarterly profits beat analyst expectations. Total revenue in the third quarter rose 24% year-over-year to $25.1 million, but did fall 17% from the second quarter. Earnings rose 41% from last year to $4.82 million, or 14 cents a share. Excluding items, Kongzhong would have had a profit of 16 cents, 6 cents higher than estimates. For the fourth quarter, revenue should be between $20.5 million and $21.5 million. Comtech Group Incorporation, after Thursday's closing bell, reported third quarter net earnings of $4.13 million, or 12 cents a share, compared with $2.66 million, or 8 cents a share in the same period last year on the back of strong sales. Excluding share-based compensation, the China-based provider of module design solutions posted per share earnings of 14 cents. Revenue rose 62% to $43.2 million from $26.6 million. The company still sees 2006 per share earnings of 52 cents excluding items, but raised its revenue outlook to $165 million from its prior view of $155 million. For 2007, Comtech sees per share earnings of 65 cents excluding items on revenue of $200 million to $210 million. China's Canadian Solar Incorporation, which makes solar modules that convert sunlight into electricity, on Wednesday raised $115.5 million with an initial public offering that priced at the top of a forecasted range, according to an underwriter. The 7.7 million share offering, which represents about a 28% stake in the company, sold for $15 per share compared with a $13 to $15 forecast. Canadian Solar is incorporated in Canada and has manufacturing plants in China. It is based in Jiangsu, China. The company builds products for residential, commercial, and industrial solar power generation systems. The company has applied to list its shares on Nasdaq under the symbol CSIQ. China's top online travel agent Ctrip.com posted a dip in quarterly earnings, sending its shares sliding even as it predicted robust fourth quarter sales and said it had won market share. Ctrip said net profit slipped to 64.7 million yuan in the third quarter from 65.5 million yuan a year ago. It earned 25 cents per diluted American Depositary share, flat from a year ago, roughly in line with expectations. Ctrip International Limited expects fourth quarter net revenues to grow about 40%. Analysts' average fourth quarter estimates had called for revenue of $28.4 million, an increase of about half from a year ago. Dow Jones Newswire reported Friday that Hong Kong billionaire Li Ka-shing and Spain's Telefónica SA are part of a consortium led by financier Francis Long that plans to buy Li's son's 23% stake in phone operator PCCW. Li plans to buy 12% of PCCW Limited, while Telefónica plans to buy 8%. A spokeswoman for Li Ka-shing did not immediately respond to a call seeking comment. Speaking to reporters Thursday, Richard Li declined to see whether his father was involved in the deal or identify any other buyers. This is the news today. Thanks for watching. See you back here next time.